Hello, it's Caroline from NSELED. Nice to see you again. In today's video, I would like to introduce the brightness and waterproof level of our outdoor LED posters. Many customers will be very interested in the brightness and waterproof design of our outdoor LED posters, but they may also have some questions want to know. The high brightness allows our LED poster to display perfectly under direct strong sunlight. The waterproof design of the plugs and exhausted fans ensures our outdoor posters can be used safely even in raining or snowing days, which will not cause the products to short-circuit or leakage. In addition, high or low temperatures are also not a problem for them, as they has been tested to operate at temperatures range from -40 degrees to +75 degrees, as these LED posters are open for outdoors. Many customers will ask if our LED poster can be powered by batteries. The answer is yes. This design is to solve the problem for outdoor use requires no power cables. Let's take a look at the brightness test of this P3 outdoor poster beside me. Now we can see the brightness can up to more than 5,000. That's all for today's video. If you are interested in our products, please contact us at the following email address. Thank you and see you next time.